Get crazy, get wild, let's party, get loud. If you wanna have fun and do something, if you wanna have fun and do something crazy.
They're trying to get to know me. Like, a lot of them are like, you know what, Snooki, you're a real cool girl. I'm like,
Yo, Paulie, keep an eye on my girl while I'm gone?
Sure, what for this time?
My parents think they broke the internet again.
Oh, is that the third time this month?
Yeah, something like that.
3 days later.
Yo man, did you get the internet fixed for your rents?
Yeah, it turned out the computer was just unplugged. So what'd my girl do while I was gone?
Oh man, I saw Bahia getting it on with some guy from the club.
Man, are you freaking joking me? I'm gonna kill her!
You see, Bahia cheats on Ronnie every chance she gets. But I don't want to make him feel that bad. You see, she's not as loyal as he thinks.
Yep.
Are you serious? You would cheat on me like that? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
That'll teach her.
Hey, Paulie.
Yeah. Hey, you want a drink? You thirsty?
Oh yeah, sure, 1 second.
Yeah, here you go.
Oh,
Yeah, just a Gatorade.
oh thanks.
Keep the cat, man.
Oh.
It was roofies.
Yo, you want a party? You wanna go to the club now? Early night for him, I guess.
No, yeah, I'll just be sitting right here. I'll be so weird. I'll just be like, oh, you know. Yeah, we did it.
Yeah, for like 5 seconds.
Hey, my girl do anything this time while I was gone?
Oh, I must have gone to the club last night. I'm not remembering anything.
You're lying to me. I saw you passed out on the couch at 7 o'clock. Why are you lying? You lying to me?
What are you talking about?
You lying to me like that?
No,
What's that for,
no,
eh?
I'm sure.
I don't know what Paulie was talking about. I mean, he was definitely lying. She was definitely cheating on me.
Oh my god.
Get crazy, get wild, let's party, get loud. If you wanna have fun and do something, if you wanna have fun.
Yeah, it hurt pretty bad when Ronnie stabbed me and I died, but I think with a few coats of spray tan and a couple rounds at the gym, I'll be all good.
Yeah, smart.
Get the oh, we're gonna molest you. Oh my god! We have them in the drink upstairs. What do you get too in I'll get too far. You okay? Yeah, just get him like feeling it.